solve humidifying tablets. So given is MA is equals to 1.5 kilogram of air per second. We have humidity ratio 1 is equals to 0.09. Humidity ratio 2 is equals to 0.015. The required is mass of water vapor. So we have solution is mass of water vapor is equals to mass of air times humidity ratio 2 minus humidity ratio 1. So we just input the values. So we have mass of water vapor is equals to 1.5 kilogram of air per second times 0.015 minus 0.009 kilogram of vapor per kilogram of air. So times the lot in units. And then we have MW is equals to 0.009 kilogram of vapor per second. So we have the second problem. So the given is that dry bulb temperature 1 is equals to 40 degrees C. Dry bulb temperature 2 is equals to 25 degrees C. And wet bulb temperature is equals to 20 degrees C. So the required is humidity efficiency. So the solution is efficiency is equals to dBT1 minus dBT2 over dBT1 minus WBT times 100. So we input the values. We have efficiency is equals to 40 minus 25 over 40 minus 20 times 100. Efficiency is equals to 75%.